How to uninstall Edge in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can uninstall Edge in Windows 11. So let's get into it. So over here, if you come into the app installer or app manager and you type in Edge and you try to uninstall it, you will see that you can't because it's locked. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unlock this option. To do that, very simple, just hit Windows plus R key to open up the run option and then type in regedit, which is registry edit, and hit OK. Next, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto this address key right here. So go into HK local machine, go into software, and in software, you will see you have the WoW6432 node. In it, you will come down over here into Microsoft, and in Microsoft, you will find Windows, and over here, and in Windows, you will click on the current version, and then over here, scroll down, you will click on uninstall, and in uninstall, you will find Microsoft Edge. Click on it, and over here, what you want to do is you will see it has no remove right here and uninstall string. We don't need that. We'll just simply click on no remove, double click on it, and change the value from 1 to 0, and click OK, and then we'll close it. No need to restart your computer. Now, if we click on these three options, actually, let me go ahead and open it up again. And once we open it up again, we find the Edge. We search for Edge right here, Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots. You will see you have the uninstall button. And then all you have to do is click on uninstall and you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how you uninstall Edge in Windows 11. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.